Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the USA Data.gov Government's Open Data Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This actor lets you extract titles, descriptions, publishers, organizations, formats, licenses, and download links, all in a clean dataset you can export instantly. This scraper is ideal if you're doing policy research, market research, journalism, academic analysis, or building internal government data catalogs and need to gather data from this website. So, how does it work? If you've already searched data.gov and found a catalog page you want, you can simply copy the URL and paste it here. For example, you can add any filters you want from here and then simply copy the URL and paste it in here. The more flexible approach is using these search filters, which lets you build searches programmatically. First, enter a search query, like climate. And from here, you can narrow results using topics, topic categories, any dataset types, which formats you want the dataset to be in, organization types, publishers, and lots of other filters. You can combine multiple filters to get very precise results. Once everything is set, you can run the actor once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each item includes a dataset title and description, organization and publisher details, available formats and download links, among other info. This data is already normalized and ready for analysis. You can also export all this data into a JSON, Excel, or CSV file, perfect for spreadsheets, BI tools, or automated pipelines. If you need reliable, structured access to US government open data, this scraper saves you weeks of manual work. It's ideal for government and policy research, journalistic investigations, academic analysis, market intelligence, and tracking dataset updates over time. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.